Every Indian heart fills with pride when we see national flag unfurling on Republic Day. 26 January brings out the patriot in us, but not everybody knows how much significance the day holds for us. My name is Shahid from Trending In. Here we are going to see 10 facts about Republic Day that every Indian must be aware of. Let's get started. The date 26 January, as everyone knows, was when the Constitution of India came into force. Before 26 January 1950, this date was chosen to honor as memory of the Declaration of Independence 1930 from the British rule. Ever wondered why 26 January date selected as Republic Day? Here is the answer. January 26 was deliberately chosen as formal date of adoption of the Constitution because it was on that day in the year 1930 that Indian National Congress had symbolically declared Purna Swaraj, meaning complete independence from the Britain. It was a declaration made by Mahatma Gandhi. So 26 January was initially India's Independence Day, and it was one of Mahatma Gandhi's many symbolic acts of revolt during India's struggle for freedom from British rule. Indian Constitution is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest in the world. You definitely cannot read it in a single day. There are just two original copies of the Constitution in the country, written in Hindi and English. They have been preserved in helium-filled cases in the Parliament of India. This Constitution has been calligraphed and not printed. Such photolithographic copies are in circulation and only 1,000 copies have been written till date. The Constitution of India took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be completed. Yes, it was all handwritten, and it was on the 26th January that marked the celebration of the independence in its true sense. The Constitution came into legal circulation at 10:18 am on 26 January 1950. Today, the Republic Day parade is the biggest attraction of the world. However, it did not start right from the beginning. It will be interesting to know that the first Republic Day parade was actually held on 26 January 1955, 5 years after the first Republic Day. Since then, the Republic Day parade has been the most amazing thing about the Republic Day. Republic Day celebration actually lasts for 3 days. One of the most popular tune that is played at the Republic Day function is Abide With Me, a Christian hymn which was said to be Mahatma Gandhi's favorite. The beating retreat is held at the end of the third day, marking the end of the Republic Day. Do you know the President addresses the Republic Day, whereas the Prime Minister addresses the Independence Day? Republic Day is the day when many prestigious bravery awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Ashoka Chakra, etc. are presented to the deserving men and women of courage. India's motto Satyamev Jayate is taken from Mundaka Upanishad from the Atharvaveda. It was translated into Hindi by Abid Ali in 1911. Madan Mohan Malviya was responsible for selecting the Indian motto. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel Trending In.